Hello guys, this is Umakant. I just came up to top of this hill, and while coming to this top of the hill, I just took this steep pathways, which you can see. This is quite steep here, and it took a lot of effort to come here. So, but very nice location. When we reach on to the top, the efforts which require to stay on the top is not much. Like you see, when an aeroplane takes onto the top, the maximum number of fuel which is required is while doing the takeoff. But once the takeoff is done, the fuel burning is not so much. So also in the life, okay, what will happen is it is very difficult to reach onto the top. But once you reach onto the top, what will happen is the sailing will be smooth. You need to manage at a higher level. But just to raise up to that level is that you require maximum force. So students, people, businessmen who are just trying to walk on top of their ladder of their life, like businessmen who are, and entrepreneurs, businessmen, students, engineers, doctors, who are trying to pursue their career and they want to climb to the topper ladder in their life. The maximum kind of effort which is required is at the initial level. See, because it is steep and you require a lot of force to come in. But once you come up, you can just enjoy the blissful states. See here how I'm enjoying the surroundings here. It's wire, beautiful, clean atmosphere, and I can just enjoy the green serenity over here. No human population, not being touch of any person coming here, sitting here. So on the top, you enjoy the life in a very different way. But once there is a phase in everybody's life that is called a struggling phase. In that struggling phase, you need to put all your efforts, and that struggling phase is the time when you start your business, start your career, start your education system, and start any of your entrepreneurship programs. All these things require a huge amount of effort. But once you climb up to the ladder, what will happen is the sailing is smooth, and just you need to maintain it on the top. If you just maintain it on the top, the sailing will become very smooth. So I'm just trying to take a small walk here in the middle of the forest, and I'll take a deep breathing exercises I'll do, and I'll enjoy the fresh air here. I have reached the top here. Now I'll just enjoy it and just sail around here. You too understand that struggling is only at the initial moments, and when you are young, keep the maximum effort so that it will be easy when you become quite older. So see you guys. I'll catch up in my next videos speaking about life, and I'll just enjoy this fresh air here. Bye guys.